will try to slow you down. Some people like to raise. It's on there.
Say something about the hands as you pass, don't keep holding on.
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's right. That's right. So we're going to take handshake, and about when you get to the shoulder, you just release and keep going. Yeah, because we don't want to have injury. So it is a catch and release, you know. Okay, so you're going to right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand. Next person you come to is your brand new partner. It's two hands, slip step in for two, slip step out for two. Turn that person by the right. Gents, place the lady on your right. Okay, that's your partner. Any questions?
No.
All right.
Let's play. People who know these things, we'll count it down.
We repeat it 3 times.
We all have a partner.
Is there a bound
There's
currency?
not a bound and currency, but we're going to start by demarcating our partner.
Yeah,
We'll
hold your
just
partner's
drop
hand.
hands.
That would be Mike. You don't hold. You
Well,
hold your non-partner's hand.
Just hold your partner.
Just hold your
You
partner's
guys are
hand.
partners for now.
Yeah.
Okay?
That person's going to be your partner later. We don't hold the future partner's hand. Okay. Just listen to this wanky music.
It's fun. 2, 3, 4,
5, 6,
Gents,
ten.
we'll go in.
1, 2, 3. To the left. 1, 2, 3. Ladies in. Woo! To the right.
Face your
Face
partner.
your partner.
2 counts. 1 person.
2.
Next person. Next person. Next person. Your partner, 2 hands. And go in and out. Turn them on the right. Turn them on the man's right. Okay, men go in.
Gents in.
Whoa!
Go to the left.
To the left.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ladies in. Woo!
Alright.
Go to the right.
Face your partner. Your partner. And pass them. 1, 2. Pass them. 1, 2. Pass them. 1, 2. Pass them. 1.
Hands
Take
up.
2 hands.
Step in.
Good. You come in. Down. And turn it on the right. 2 more times. And in.
And in. Go to the left. Ladies. Woo! Go to the right.
Go, ladies.
I know.
Face your
Face your
partner.
partner.
1 person, 2 counts. Next person, 2 counts. Next person, 2 counts. Next person,
Hands up.
take 2 hands.
Step in.
Good. Starting them on the
Last
right.
time. Down your zip.
Thanks.